Hello guys, heartily welcome to That Coding Bro. Now let's begin our today's question. Now today question is write a C program to swap two numbers using thought variable, or you can read the question up to here. Write a C program to swap two numbers. This is extra part. It is also fine. Without this part also fine. Same question. Okay. Write a C program to swap two numbers. Swapping means, what is meant by swap? Exchanging. What is meant by exchanging? Here, observe, I have two values A, B, means some A is a variable. Example, I have 10 in A. In B, I have 20. Now, I need to send this value 10 to B and this 20 value to A, means I will exchange both values. That's it. This is the question. See, I will explain this question very easily. Keep your concentration here. I want to exchange the values between two those. You may think that example, I have given a value to your brain to store 10 and I have told to store 20 in A10, B20. I told to exchange these values. What you will do for A20, B10? You will do this thing, right? But in this way, in computer, it is not possible. What you are doing at a time, two operations, means A value getting here, B value getting here. Computer cannot do many things at a time. It will do one thing at a time. Okay. See, leave this figure. First, I will tell with another one example. See, this person is A. A in hand weight, he is lifting 10 kgs. B, another person lifting 20 kgs. A and B should exchange. The condition is they cannot keep on floor, or they cannot exchange at a time, or they cannot throw on air. They should change. How it is possible? See, first I will call a person name C or temp, your wish. What I will give? First I will give weight of my A to C. Now what C holds? 10, right? 10 kgs weight is safe. Now I will take this 20 kgs. B will hand over this 20 kgs to A. Now A has 20 kgs. After that, C will hand over 10 kgs to B. By this way, I will exchange the values. Okay. What we did? First, I have given A value a value to C, means C is equals to A, means I have given A value to C, followed by what I did, B value to A. First thing A to temp, followed by B to A, means A equal to B. For equal to what operator, what it will do, it will assign right hand value to left hand. Now B value is given to A value. After that, what I need to do? I need to give C value to B, right? So B equal to C. That's it. This is the logic. See, in the figure also I will explain once. First step, I have given X value to temp. X, here they have discussed, like I have discussed X, Y and temp. We have discussed A, B, C. Nothing, just alphabets. First, what we did, we have given our X data to temporary variable, followed by second step, Y value to X. What is the third step? Temp value to Y. That's, it's very simple. This is the logic. First A to C, first A to C, next B to A, next C to B. That's it. The logic is over. These three statements only logic. Now coming to algorithm. First, what we need to do, we need to start the program. As I told, these two steps are common. Here in algorithm purpose, I wrote three different names: num1, num2, temp. Num1, num2, temp. What I need to do? first I need to assign, think this is A, B, C. What is the first step? C equal to A. What is the next step? A equal to B. What is the third step? B equal to C. Now if I write in terms of num1, num2, temp, what is the thing? Temp is equals to num1. Next B. Num1 is equals to num2. It is A, right? So num1 followed by num2 is equals to temp. That's it. That's it, right? So first we need to know what is meant by num1, num2. So read the values of num1, num2 from the user. After that we need to tell the user what are the values. So print the values of num1, num2 before swapping, because we haven't did anything. So we need to tell user before swapping what is the answer. Now see, first temp equal to num1. See, temp equal to num1. Next num1 equal to num2. So num1 equal to num2. Next num2 equal to temp. So num2 equal to temp. Print the values of num1, num2 after swapping. That's it, right? I think you people got. I will tell you one example in the program. Okay. Now same these lines are converted into program. See, first num1, num2, temp, three variables. I am asking the user to enter the first number and I stored in num1, and I ask the user to enter second number and ask to store in num2 before swapping. What is first number? Num1. For example, I have given in num1 10, in num2 20. Now out, what is the output will come? First it will print 10, 20. Okay. Now temp is equals to num1. What it will happen? Temp is equals to num1. 10 will goes to num1. Next num1 is equals to num2, means num2 value goes to num1, 20. Next temp, num2 is equals to temp, then temp value goes to num2. Now see, this value came here, this value came here. Our program is right. Now print after swapping. First number is, what is first number? 20. Second number is 10. That's it. Our program is right. If you want this program in Java, Python, C++, you ping me in WhatsApp, or sorry, you ping me in the comment section. I will give the answer, or go to ChatGPT, copy paste this program and ask ChatGPT. It will convert. The logic is same. Every language, just syntax changes. That's it. Thank you for watching.